Question 3. The line segment AB is a diameter of a circle center C, where A and B are -1, 4, and 5, 2, respectively. A line K passes through point C and it's perpendicular to AB. Find the equation of K. The line AB, which is what we've got here, has these coordinates. These are the x1, y1, x2, y2. It passes through the midpoint, and the midpoint itself has got a coordinate. We need to find that coordinate, which is x and y. And K goes through that point, and because it's perpendicular, K is a line perpendicular to AB. I need to find the gradient of AB first. If I know the gradient of AB, then I know the gradient of this line that is perpendicular to AB. I'll call the gradient AB MT because it's a tangent line. So we call this line a tangent line, and this line is the perpendicular line. We call the perpendicular line the line of normal. So that line is normal to this line AB. So to find the gradient of AB, because I know the coordinates of A and B, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Sometimes it's written as difference in y over difference in x. Difference means take away. So y2 take away y1 is difference of y, over x2 take away x1 is difference of x. So the y2 here is 2, that's 2, take away y1 here is 4, so 2 minus 4, over x2 is 5, take away x1 is -1, so that's -1, and therefore we get -2 over 6, and that becomes -1/3. So the gradient of the tangent MT is -1/3. The relationship between the perpendicular gradient MN, that's the normal, and the tangent MT is MN times MT, the tangent, equals -1. So to find the gradient of the normal MN, it will be -1 over MT, and that is -1 over -1/3, and that will become 3. So MN is 3, the gradient of the normal. Also, I need to find the coordinates of x and y at the center. To find the coordinate, that's the midpoint between A and B. To find the midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2, which equals to x, this x here, and y1 plus y2 over 2 equals to y, this y here. And so I need to plug in those values, and the values will be x1 is -1 plus 5 over 2 equals 4 over 2, which is 2, and y1 and y2, y1 is 4 plus 2 over 2, and that will be 6 over 2, which equals to 3. So now, to find the equation, and I know the points where it goes through now, so that's 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So now I know the gradient and I know the coordinates. Now I can find the equation of the line, which is y minus y1 equals m into bracket, that's mn by the way, x minus x1. So that's the formula I'm going to use. With this formula, I know my y1 is 3 and my x1 is 2. My y1 is 3, my x1 is 2, and it's got a gradient mn. I can now find the equation. So I'm going to say y minus 3 equals mn. Mn is 3, because we got mn here, 3. Mn is 3 into bracket x minus 2. So I need to expand the bracket. That will be 3x minus 6, y minus 3. Therefore, y equals 3x minus 3. So that's the equation of the normal. The equation that is perpendicular to line AB is y equals 3x minus 3.